Local news for Wednesday the 13th of June. Train services on the Wairarapa line were suspended yesterday, causing headaches for some commuters. A tree obstructing the track south of Maymorn caused the delay, with trains moving again by approximately 7:45. The 8:21 service, however, was heavily delayed, while the 10:44 and 12:55 were replaced by buses. A microplasma bovis farmer information evening is being held tonight at the War Memorial Stadium inside the Trust House Recreation Centre. Kicking off at 5:30, Federated Farmers, Ministry of Primary Industries, Beef and Lamb New Zealand and Dairy NZ will all be in attendance. And the Heart of Winter Festival kicks off on Friday, the first of its kind in Wairarapa. It'll offer plenty to do, including a skating rink, snow dome, night market on Saturday, and an Asian market and children's lantern parade. And in sport, the Wairarapa Bush Women's Under-18 reps are in action today. Kick-off is at 4:30 at Trust House Memorial Park as they take on Horowhenua.